Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saira and I am principal in United Charter School, Gulistan-e-Jauhar branch, which is a project of Beacon House. As we know that quality education is what every parent's desire for their kids, and at United Charter School, like is the name of assurance to it. We assure our parents that your child with us not learn the best, but also excel in their mental capacity and in our schooling system. Here at Open House, we cordially welcome parents to come and visit and witness the facilities that we have promised for quality education, but also for the best upcoming of their kids. So, come join for the Open House with your families and friends and avail special discount. Thank you.